Hi, my name is Rebecca Osorio, and I'm going to be showing you how to solve the system of equations. Now here, pretty much I have it written out for you, but I'm going to try and explain it to you. So here, what we want to do is we're going to distribute. So here, we're going to distribute the 2 inside, inside the parentheses. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times y is 2y, which we have down here. And then on the other side of the equal sign, we have 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2 times y, which is right here. And now we do the same for the next equation, where we do 5 times negative x is negative 5 plus 5y, 5 times y. And then the other side, we have 2 times 23, which is equal to 46, and 2 times negative y, which is equal to negative 2y. And this is how we get up to here. Now, up here, we want to be able to find one of the variables. So what we're going to do is try to cancel out here the x. So here we're going to try to make the x values the same, so we're able to cancel it out. By doing that, we multiply one side by 5 and the other equation by 2. So here we multiply this equation and we get 10x, because 5 times 2x and then 5 times 2y is 10y, equals 5 times 2 is 10 minus 5 times 2y, which is 10y. And we do the same for this equation on the bottom. So remember that when you multiply, you're going to multiply it by this number by a 2 to make it equal. You got to multiply the whole entire equation. So this will equal negative 10x plus 2 times 5y, which is 10y, and then equals 46 times 2, which is 92, and then this is a minus sign here, I'm sorry, 2 times 2y, which is negative 4y. Now what we do here is we add these two equations. So by adding this positive and a negative, we cancel out the x, which is what we wanted. So now what we do is just do addition just like you would in any other problem, and just add straight down. And here we have we add 10y plus 10y, which will equal 20y, and 10 plus 92, which is 102, and 10 plus 4, which is 14. Negative 10 plus negative 4y, which is negative 4y, 14y. So then we want to get these the x variables on one side. So what we're gonna do is cancel out the 14y by adding it to both sides. So here it cancels out, and then you add it here and you get 34y. So now here we still don't have the y by itself. So what we're going to do is divide 34y by 34 in order to cancel it out. And what we do to one side, we must do to the other. So 102 divided by 34 equals 3. So your y variable would equal 3. So now here we're still not done, because this is all part 1. And so now we need to find the x value. So to find the x value, we must substitute the 3 for the y value. So here I've done the substituting, not very clear, but let me just read it out to you. It would be, we use one of the original system of equations and plot in the 3 for y. So 2, we just do the same as distributing. So distribute the 2 would be 2x, and then 2 times 3 is 6. And then on the other side of the equal sign, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So now here, we're trying to get the x variable by itself. So then we divide by, we are gonna, I'm sorry, I did an error here. What we're gonna do is, so negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. Then you have to divide the 2x to get it by itself. Divide by 2, divide negative 10 by 2, and x is equal to negative 5.